Objects, Python, with code example. Objects are the building blocks of object-oriented programming, OOP, in Python. They represent real-world entities with their own data, attributes, and behavior, methods. Here's a breakdown of objects and an example to illustrate. 1. What are objects? An object is an instance of a class. A class is a blueprint or template for creating objects with similar characteristics. Objects have attributes to store their data. Objects have methods to define their behavior and how they interact with other objects. 2. Code example. Let's create a class called person and then create objects of that class. 3. Key points. We defined a person class with attributes name and age. We created two objects, John and Jane, as instances of the person class. Each object has its own unique values for name and age. We can access object attributes using dot notation, e.g., name. We can call object methods using dot notation followed by parentheses, e.g., greet. Objects are independent entities, even though they share the same class definition. 4. Benefits of objects. Modularization. Break down complex programs into smaller, manageable units. Reusability. Code written for one object can be reused in other objects of the same class. Encapsulation. Data and behavior are bundled together, making code cleaner and easier to maintain. Abstraction. Focus on the essential functionalities of an object without worrying about its internal implementation. 5. Further exploration. This is just a basic introduction to objects in Python. There's much more to learn, including class inheritance, creating new classes that inherit properties from existing ones. Special methods. Methods like street control how objects are printed or converted to strings. Object-oriented design principles. Best practices for designing and structuring object-oriented programs. Feel free to ask if you have any further questions about objects or specific concepts in Python.